Yo guys, hi guys, so magji-gym tayo today. Leg workout ulit tayo. Kasama natin mag-workout si Bonjing. Pero ito ang ano namin, this is our pre-workout. It's not a supplement, but it's something that would give you energy to lift weights. Hey guys, next workout natin. Ano tawag dito? Ano siya? Kalimutan ko na. Deadlift. Guys, deadlift. 60 agad tayo sa deadlift. Massive increase sa weights. So, first time ni Miguel mag-deadlift. Bibigyan natin siya agad ng 60. Calibrate natin ko. Ano to? 3 sets pero 6 to 8 repetition. Reklamo si Gago. Please. So, first time niya lang magana pero pininyagan ko agad siya ng 60 kg. I-wide mo yung legs mo. Ay, yung paa mo pag ano mo. Yan, ganyan. Medyo wide mo pa yung legs. Yan. Yan. So guys, last set for the deadlift. Massive increase again. We're going to 80 kilogram now for the deadlift. But this time it's not gonna be 8 reps, but we're going to do till failure. So kahit ilan lang yung makayanan natin. Next exercise is leg press. Ay, ayun pala, mali. Ayun na naman. Doon pala tayo sa kabila. Okay na, ganun na lang. Leg press pala doon sa kabila. Lagi ko na pagkakamalan yung leg curl tapos leg extension. Leg press. So. Ayan yung isa sa proof na matagal tayo hindi nag-gym. 8 months guys, 8 months. Ito, yan ang leg press. So, okay. Guys, 100 kg. Let's go. Yeah, filthy animals. Sorry. Last set for the. This is dumbbell squat. Not RDL, but dumbbell squat. Last set. What's going on, guys? So, we are on our last set for the squats. We're doing 60 for the last set. We were doing 40 earlier, so we're gonna do massive increased weights. It's gonna 60 now. My friend Miguel is going to spot me with this. Kasi mabigat na siya. That's it for the goddamn squat, guys. Guys, I have a massive shout out. Sunshine Cruz is in the house. She's literally there in the cable machine. That's Miguel, that's me. And Sunshine Cruz is literally behind me, guys. Sunshine Cruz is in the house. Hello. There she is, there she is. Hello. What's going on, guys? So may nakuha tayong tumbler from Fitness First because I referred my brother David. So dahil mabait sa akin si Ma'am Leia, massive shout Ma'am Leia. Tsaka dahil lumingiti si Kiana, binigyan din si David ng ganito. So may nakuha na akong Fitness First bag. Ayan siya. Ayan yung nakuha ko, yung na-refer ko to, si Miguel. Magkakaroon din siya ng tumbler kasi gusto niya ng tumbler. Bukas. But, yun. Ganda ng tumbler. I've been wanting to have one of this. Pero inuna ko kasi yung bag, kasi yung Fitness First ko na bag is luma na. But I have both of them now. Yay! Aking obsitin na pag hindi na makahinga. Hindi na to. Better. Alam mo na po yan, bro. Huh? Kaya nga nagsusunod ng bantay yung mga ito eh.